Yes, feeling better. I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. It's going to look great. Vacuum. Yes. Oh my word, the floor looks awful. Okay, what next? I know. I could read that book finally. I'm so glad I'm feeling better. What the heck happened? I used to think I was just out of shape or being lazy. But that crash after activity pattern, where you finally feel better one day and then you can't move the next day. Welcome to the world of post-exertional malaise, aka PEM, the dreaded crash. Today I'm going to explain what's happening in your body and what you can do to recover and maybe even prevent it from happening again. PEM means your body can't bounce back the way it used to. Even small things like showering, cooking, or concentrating too long can trigger it. It's not just fatigue. It's your body's cells struggling to make and use energy. When you push past your limit, your system reacts with inflammation, pain, and exhaustion that can last for days. Your body isn't failing. It's protecting you while it tries to heal. Your body needs true rest. Stop pushing. It's just going to make it worse. Give it a chance to rebuild some strength instead of constantly draining it. To prevent a crash, start by only doing half what you think you can do. Then rest. If you still feel okay, maybe add another 10%, but don't do it all at once. Start tracking what triggers your crashes and pace before you push. That awareness is the foundation of recovery. I teach this and so many other practical ways to manage PEM and other long COVID symptoms inside my nonprofit community, Your Long COVID Transformation. A link to join is in the description as well as on my bio. So click it and join us if you're ready to start working with your body again instead of against it.